Okay, so as I mentioned earlier in our course, I will show you three ways that I am using to sell products using dropshipping. I will show you how to dropship products, how to dropship services, which I am doing, and I will show you how to use dropshipping for affiliate products that you can also do. So as you can see, I already created a website, and I'm having this website active for around a year. So I'm using this website to sell my courses also, and I'm using this website to dropship services that I'm using. So you can see I'm selling some services which are logo design and SEO article writing. All of these services can be found on Fiverr for as low as $5 only per order. So anytime that someone orders this from my website, because I did already SEO and I'm ranking for some of these keywords, I just head down back to Fiverr and I just spend that $5 to get that same service, and then I just redirect that to my customer. So I just want to show you how does that dropshipping is working. I will show you a course that I have created. I just want to show you a photo so you can know this model better. So you are always in the middle. You are man in the middle with your web store, your website, anything. You are having customer on one side and you are having a supplier on the other side. So the customer starts this with paying you, then you are using that money, part of that money, to order from your supplier. Your supplier is giving back your tracking code. If you are using AliExpress or any other websites, you will in most cases get tracking code, so you can always track where is that product. So you can also send that tracking code back to your customer to provide them additional trust and security. And what happens is that your supplier is sending your package to your customer with the address that you set. This is how dropshipping products work. This is how dropshipping services also work, and this is how any dropshipping model works. You can make money with dropshipping with pretty much any industry. You can use this to dropship real estate, dropship cars, or any other industry. This is what I'm using to make lots of money, and it is working because you just want to be man in the middle for everything. During this course I will show you how to create and how to find services that you can sell. I will show you how can you dropship on eBay, on Amazon, using AliExpress with no money at all. I will also show you how can you dropship affiliate products using your Instagram accounts, your websites, or any other platform that you're using, such as Facebook or Twitter. You can sell lots of products, and it is really a great way to make money. In this course I will show you how to find hot products. I will also show you how to find perfect supplier, how to use tricks and hacks to do really effective marketing. I will show you how to design also your products and ads that you might use. You will also get ebook from me that I wrote about dropshipping. I will also show you how to flip money in just a few days, and I will show you how to spy on competitors and how can you steal their customers on Instagram or Facebook. So this is really great way, and you will be able to make money in a short period of time with no investment at all. And that is what I'm teaching people in most of my courses. I am showing people how to start up their business with no money, because when I was starting my business I had no money to start. So I was forced to find a way how to make money with no money. And by doing all these steps I created successful business now that is making me quite a lot of money, and I want to show you ways that I did it to start up. So this would be everything for this lecture. I will now show you how to dropship services in one lecture, and in the other lectures I will show you how to dropship products and affiliate products.